Hello guys, how are you all? I hope you will be fine. May God bless you all. Welcome to my channel. Using natural fruits on the face can provide various benefits due to their vitamins, antioxidants, and natural acids. Among the top recommended fruits, papaya stands out for its exfoliating properties, as it contains natural enzymes like papain that help remove dead skin cells. While its high vitamin C and content can lighten dark spots and give a radiant glow, and its antioxidants help reduce signs of aging. Bananas, rich in potassium and moisture, hydrate and moisturize dry skin, with vitamins A and E that help reduce wrinkles and vitamin C that brightens the skin. Cucumbers, with their high water content, soothe irritated or sunburnt skin, hydrate and revitalize the skin, reducing puffiness and swelling, and provide a cooling effect that can help with redness and inflammation. Tomatoes, known for their juicy texture and rich content of natural acids and vitamins, balance oil production, tighten pores, and brighten the complexion with their high vitamin C content. Strawberries contain alpha-hydroxy acids AHAs that help exfoliate dead skin cells, and their rich antioxidants and vitamin C aid in collagen production and brightening the skin by reducing dark spots and acne scars. Oranges, with their high vitamin C content, brighten the skin and reduce dark spots, firm the skin with their natural astringent properties, and promote collagen production with antioxidants. Avocados, rich in healthy fats and vitamins A and C, deeply hydrate the skin, soothe irritation with their anti-inflammatory properties, and reduce fine lines and wrinkles with antioxidants. Pineapples, containing bromelain, an enzyme that helps remove dead skin cells, brighten the skin with their high vitamin C content, and reduce inflammation and redness. Mangoes, with vitamins A and C, hydrate and nourish the skin, reduce dark spots, and provide a natural glow, while their antioxidants help reduce signs of aging. Lastly, grapes, with their high water content, hydrate the skin, contain resveratrol, an antioxidant that helps reduce fine lines and wrinkles, and brighten the complexion with vitamin C. When using these fruits on the face, it is important to perform a patch test to check for any allergic reactions. Use fresh and ripe fruits for the best results. Rinse thoroughly after the treatment, follow up with a gentle moisturizer, and avoid using fruits on broken or irritated skin to prevent further irritation. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and give me a thumbs up. This gives us even more courage to make better videos in the future. And I'll see you in my next video. Take care of yourself, take care of your family and people around you, and spread love. Goodbye.